Hey, how's it going everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the rear seat cargo rack for the Honda Talon 1000 4-seater. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we want to show you a really cool accessory for the Honda Talon 1000 4-seater, and it's the rear seat cargo rack kit from Tusk. This is ideal for those people that have a 4-seater and maybe you don't use your back seats too often, or you're looking to get more cargo capacity if you're doing some longer trips, want to take more camping gear, whatever it might be. We even see people use these for a great seat for their pets. So a lot of great uses for these, and what's great about these racks are made from 1/8" powder coated aluminum. They look good when you have them installed. The install process is simple. We'll talk about that here in just a moment. But as you can see, it completely replaces the rear seat in the back of your side-by-side. So now you take all that space that maybe you weren't using before, or you wish you could have put a little bit more cargo back there, and it converts it to basically just one large bed. So now you've got these racks that have multiple cutouts for different tie-down attachment points. So you can put your cooler inside here, your duffel bag, your camping gear. You can tie everything down with either a ratchet strap or rock strap, whatever it might be. So it just allows you to utilize the space a little bit more efficiently in the back of your side-by-side and get a ton of cargo capacity. Or like I said, if you have dogs or pets you want to put in the back, it's a great spot for those as well. But in any case, as far as the install goes, it is simple. There's no modification done to the vehicle. You're just going to have the brackets that will come included, that you mount those, and then the base plates or the racks will just mount and screw right to those brackets. So if you have a Honda Talon 4-seater and you're looking to get more cargo capacity using the back, well, these are perfect for you. If you do have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab yours today, it's simple. Click on the link or just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are sold individually, so keep that in mind. And we sell them individually for either the driver's side or the passenger side. So you might want just one for now, or maybe you want to get both and go all out. That's totally up to you. Orders over $75 ship free. Enter the year, make, and model when you're picking yours up, and you're going to be good to go. If you like this video and you want to see more great UTV product spotlights like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.